check out here. This is the Fontainebleau Noble Suite, room 6043. We got 2 rooms here at Fontainebleau. We got the adjoining King Gold Best View Suite in through that door there. I'll probably do a separate video for that. But anyway, on the entry, you got this great big bad boy there. We've got a separate bathroom here with just one sink, mirrors, toilet, and a decent sized shower there, of course, with the Fontainebleau robes. Both Degen and Jennie took advantage of those. I'm not much of a robe guy myself, but they say they're pretty neat. Nice little wet bar area here with the no touchies, unless absolutely necessary. These are a must. Nice little sink here. Nice little back bar with all the accoutrements. I think these are all empty. Yeah. Down here, we got the little tray for your bibs and bobs. We got the other little tray here with the, it had glassware, we used it all, and a little corkscrew, etc. Down here we got the cooling door, which it's not massive, but it holds a couple bottles of wine, a few beers or whatnot. Decent little sitting area. This comfy chair there, a little couch, a little bit of bar seating there. Great big television there, similar to, probably exactly to the ones you get over in Resorts World, the Conrad. When we booked this, we booked the best view. We're up on the 60th floor, so you can pretty well see what we're looking at here. You get a great view of the golf course, the mountains, the airport, the Sphere, the back of the strip there. But great view of Wynn Resorts World. Coming here into the bedroom area. And the great big king bed. This thing is so comfy, it's like sleeping on a cloud. This thing here kind of gets in the way, but if you need a little dresser to put your stuff in, it's there. Another TV, little sitting area. All the little doodads there for opening and closing the blinds and shears. And again, same view, a little farther, but you can get to see the Dirty Circus there, and Conrad. Over to the Rio, Caesars. You can see the tail end of Cosmo there. All the aircraft just steadily taking off all day long. Come into here, we have one little closet, little shelf up there, good for putting some suitcases in. Another one right here, it's got all your other gear, got your stuff up there, your safe. This thing that had some slippers in it, another robe, a little luggage holder thing. And we step on in here to the bathroom, dual vanities, another great big mirror, this massive shower. I mean, you could have a football game in this thing. It's so huge. More robes. We got robes coming out the ass here. This trip, I'm telling you, man, they're everywhere. And then we got the little water closet inside here, as do most hotels. So yeah, it was our first time staying here at Fontainebleau. Highly recommend. I mean, the views alone in this place are just outstanding. The staff was fantastic. It was just a great stay. I wouldn't doubt that we'll be back here in the near future. Hopefully so, anyhow. But that's it. That's a room tour of the Noble Suite at Fontainebleau, Las Vegas.